Hello, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and this video is for wedding planners in Cedar Rapids and Des Moines, Iowa. How to get your wedding planner business on the front page of Google, and especially the Google 3-pack. This is the Google 3-pack. And if you look up here, this number 508,000, that's how many people have searched for wedding planners in a year. So basically about 40,000 people, which is over 1,000 people a day, are hitting this. Now, these top three places right here, this one's getting over 25%, this one's getting over 15%, and this one's getting over 10%, which equals 50 to 60% of the hits on this for the website. So you want to be on the front page, or you want to be in that top three. Now, this Sorry wedding event planner, we'll show you more about them farther down the line, because I've seen them numerous places, but they're on the front page of Cedar Rapids. They're not on the front page here. Now, let's go to wedding planners. Wedding planners in in Des Moines. Now, a wedding planner in Des Moines, 2.2 million. Let's go back here. 2.2 million. So this one is getting way more views. Being in these top three here is really going to improve your odds of getting a job or being on the front page. I only contact people on the second page because they don't need me if they're already on the first page. Now I want to show you a client quick. Like, this was an old client in Cedar Rapids, limousine service Cedar Rapids, RAF limo. You notice he's number one on the front page, and that's from work I did in 2013, 2014. So he's literally been on the front page for over 5 years. You'll see he's number 4 on the front page of Google, and he has a pay-per-click ad. At one time, all his business came from pay-per-click until I got him in the Google 3-pack and got him ranked on the front page. I'll give you another quick example. This is also Bridal Expo, Iowa City. This is a video that he produced, and I ranked it on the front page. This video has been on the front page for Bridal Expo in Iowa City since 2013. It used to be on the front page of Google. Now let's go to Wedding Planners, Iowa. Oh, we're on the videos here. Let's click back. Wedding Planners, Iowa. Remember I told you about that Sorry? By default, they're coming up number 1, which is really great because they're probably getting more business ranking here on the front page than they would be on Google or Des Moines. But I can get any of your businesses on the front page, any wedding planner business on the front page for a set amount. It costs me $100 to start, and then after that, you don't pay another dime until I get you on the front page. And then it depends what area, how much it'll cost for number 3, number 2, number 1. Thank you for your time. This is Wedding Planners in Iowa, how to get on the front page of the Google 3-pack. Thank you.